Today, I'm going to show you how to add TSA PreCheck to your American Airlines account. This is a super helpful feature that can save you a lot of time at airport security by allowing you to use expedited screening lanes. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to aa.com. Once you're on the American Airlines homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account settings. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the top of the page where you'll see your account name displayed, click on your name, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account management page where you can adjust various settings and preferences. Now on the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the section labeled Profile or Settings. Under this section, you should find an option that says Information or Passwords. Click on that to access your personal information and travel details. Once you're on this page, scroll down until you locate the Secure Traveler section. This is where you'll be able to add your TSA PreCheck information in the Known Traveler Number field. Carefully enter your KTN. This is the unique number you received when you enrolled in TSA PreCheck, so make sure you enter it exactly as it appears on your approval documentation. After entering your KTN, you'll also need to select your issuing country from the drop-down menu. Here's something really important to understand. TSA PreCheck is not something you add separately or activate manually. Once your KTN is correctly saved in your American Airlines account and properly attached to your booking, it will activate automatically. This means that when you check in for your flight, your boarding pass should display the TSA PreCheck indicator, allowing you to use the expedited security lanes at participating airports. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added your TSA PreCheck information to your American Airlines account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.